Alright, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm first taking my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer in the shade White, and I'm gonna be putting this all over my lids to prep for the eyeshadow.
So much holding us back, we all be locked up in different ways. Sometimes by our own self. I can't wait till they free again. Just set them boys free. He just got 40 years and he was 23. My sister just got out and she was doing the bid. I'm just happy that she home. She get to see her kids. Institutionalized. You got out last week. It's hard to get back on your feet when you was running the street. Signed shoes for 3 years.
Now I'm gonna go into my Morphe 18S palette, and I'm taking the shade Daze, and I'm going to put it where you see me placing it on my lid, and I'm just packing that color on first so I can get the pigment, and then I'm going to blend it out.
This life ain't got no reset button, but karma still come back around. That type of shit is sit you down, you can get high.
Now I'm going into my Morphe 3503 palette, and I'm taking Ball on Fire and Explode, and I'm putting that in my crease, and I'm going to eventually blend that out. So now I'm going back into my Morphe 3503 palette, and I'm taking the shade Disrupt and putting that in my outer V corner and blending that into my crease. The key to this look is to just keep blending, 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 blending. I'm now cutting my crease with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Cool Ivory. I wanted to get my hands on the P. Louise eyeshadow base, but I just couldn't find any, so I went to Target and got the next best thing. Now to go on top of that concealer, I'm going back into my 18S palette, and I'm taking Orange Skies and Sundays, mix those two together, and I'm placing it on top of the concealer. I'm going to take the shade Disrupt again, and I'm going to place it back onto my outer V and just blend everything into my crease and blend together the whole look.
Studio. This one's for you, yeah. Shop, I think we got one. This one's for you, yeah. This one's for you, yeah. For real. This one's for you, yeah. Look. Picture perfect, the perfect circus, she know what's up. I gotta make it in the stew until the sun come up. I need a trophy, no second place, ain't a runner up. Gotta keep my lady, she was there before the karma's up. Tunnel vision, I'm clocking in, got no time to waste. Hate I never tolerate this rapping shit, I dominate. Tryna chase a bag and cop a crib, this shit got hella space. Think about it every day, thinking how to make a play. I'll be on the go, and I know what to do. If you let me, baby, I'll show. I promise when I make it, I take you out on the road. Never chasing hoes, it's just me and you, girl, you know. Cross my heart, I swear to God, I never lie to you. I ride a doctor on the ride, I'm on the side of you. We hit the mall and buy it all, I'm getting flow with you. Spending all this time with you, girl, you so reliable. Just wait a minute, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Just let me focus, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Just wait a minute, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Tryna take my niggas to all the places they couldn't go. Cross my heart, I swear to God, I never lie to you. I ride a doctor on the right, I'm on the side of you. We hit the mall and buy it all, I'm getting flow with you. Spending all this time with you, girl, you so reliable. Just wait a minute, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Just let me focus, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Just wait a minute, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Tryna take my niggas to all the places they couldn't go. This one's for you, yeah. This one's for you, yeah. I mean that shit for real. This one's for you, yeah. Look, and as I chase it, I promise I'm never losing you. Everything in order, I organize like a Rubik's Cube. Paying close attention to everything, even cuticles. Intro all the things in the places that's really new to you. Tell me I won't miss them, but let me give them an overview. Trying to get a hold of you, my mixtape is overdue. Yeah, I work for hours, but really wish I was holding you. Girl, you make me comfortable, start a family, no hugs to boo. And I'll be on the go, and I know what to do. If you let me, baby, I'll show. I promise when I make it, I take you out on the road. Never chasing hoes, it's just me and you, girl, you know. Cross my heart, I swear to God, I never lie to you. I ride a doctor on the right, I'm on the side of you. We hit the mall and buy it all, I'm getting flow with you. Spending all this time with you, girl, you so reliable. Just wait a minute, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Just let me focus, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Just wait a minute, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Tryna take my niggas to all the places they couldn't go. Cross my heart, I swear to God, I never lie to you. I ride a doctor on the right, I'm on the side of you. We hit the mall and buy it all, I'm getting flow with you. Spending all this time with you, girl, you so reliable. Just wait a minute, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Just let me focus, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Just wait a minute, I'll be there, I'm in the studio. Tryna take my niggas to all the places they couldn't go. This one's for you, yeah. This one's for you, yeah.
Alright, and this is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video.